Hello, Miss Beatriz Arrieta Alvarez, planning my vacation. The place where I want to go to Greece. Day of the 3 June 12 to July 10. The hotel where I will stay is called the Titania Hotel in Athens. My schedule of activity for the trip to place I will visit is Santorini, Athens, the archaeology and Byzantine museums, the shops, the street, the typical dishes such as the famous motion traditional cake made in the oven with layers of august, potatoes, minced meat, and kale, the grey sauce, the famous empanadas with feta cheese and thin puff pastry, the kale filo, and the salati gioratiki, which is a very traditional grey salad made of tomato, cucumber, grey pepper, onion, olive, and feta cheese greased with olive oil, salt, and oregano. The spanakopit and spit and feta cheese part. This time I will do this adventure with my niece and my best friend, since it will be a dream come true for us and the activities we have planned to do are in ancient Greece in Athens, contemplate the best suns in the world in Santorini, enjoy the gastronomy, visit the beach, go shopping great, having some essence that we can do such as visit the Sangre Temple in a proper way, not treat or dry in the country. Thank you for watching. Bye.